Everyone, I am Monica from Miles 9. So we will be doing this reading passage, Elephant Communication. So this was part of 7th November 2024 IELTS exam reading. So that had happened in India, and in Pakistan some different reading was there, and in my neighboring countries Bangladesh, Nepal, Sri Lanka, of course Middle East and other. So without wasting time, let's start this reading. And if you think that you will be start reading for this reading passage story, please don't do it. Don't read anything, only understand, try to understand the meaning of the title. Definitely we are going to talk about this animal, elephant. So first type of question we have, as you can see, diagram is there. Label the diagram with two words. I don't know how it is two words. So it may be possible that two words fill in the blanks may had come. And the second type of question, again fill in the blanks, complete the summary using no more than three words. And third type of question we have multiple choice questions. Only two questions are there, and till the time we will start the reading, you can do practice with me. I mean, you can subscribe it at the end. Let's do practice with me. This is the request. So this is most important as compared to this. So please practice with me. I will be showing you question statement also and the paragraph also. So first question say label the diagram with no more than two words. Okay. So here they have given a diagram of this elephant and 28, 29, 30 and 31. Okay. So we will be finding the location of these fill in the blanks according to these numbers. So bones in inner ear. So we will be finding bones and body also, toe and fatty. But let's start finding bones and inner ear. Definitely where you will find the location. This is first type of question. We will try to find the location of these fill in the blanks into first paragraph. Make sure before telling my answer, before announcing my answer, you can pause the screen and find your own answer. Then you match it with me. And I am telling you, if you can't get 13 out of 13 answers in this reading, then please do more practice. If you get 13 out of 13, then please go ahead and just book your exam. Okay, bones. So person name is here, Stanford University. So whatever important things it will come into your reading, means scanning or skimming the paragraph, you can just underline the things. Okay, 20 years ago has made stunning revelation. Okay. So here bones and inner ears are not there. Here is there. Okay. So next paragraph, we will go to next paragraph. See this. Seismic sound with the ears. The hammer bone word is here. In an elephant's inner ear is proportionally huge for a. Okay, let's read it. So here they are saying blank bones in inner ear. Blank. Bones. Bone in an elephant inner ear. So what will come? Which ear? So which bones? Hammer bones. The hammer bones. But yes, we will not be writing here the. We will cut it. Only hammer will come here. Okay. Because this is not full sentence. Hammer bones in inner ear. They are just giving label the diagram, not the full sentence or summary and nothing it. So next is body. Okay. Ear is proportionally huge for a mammal, but it is huge is body, but where is proportionally huge for a bird. No, this is not that, but it is rather normal for animals that use vibrational signals. Thus it may signs such as elephants can use seismic sounds to communicate. Okay, so next paragraph, because we are looking for bodies word. So body. So bodies I can see over here. So an dash body. So what we can use it, an, for their massive bodies. Massive, but why an is there? So body, it is given body. It means massive body. But I don't understand why it is. So it means answer is wrong. Answer is wrong if they have given an. So let's read the sentence again. Other aspects of elephant anatomy also support that ability. First, their massive bodies. which enable them to give out low frequency sounds almost as powerful as the sounds uh, a jet makes during takeoff, serve as idle frames for receiving this and this to the inner ear. But nothing is given about body, just they are talking about hair only. So how come massive? So massive will come definitely, but how come an? So I don't understand what is the purpose of giving an. If a should be there, and should not be there. Okay, so 30 number, toe and fatty. Toe and fatty, so I have just read toe and fatty somewhere. Toe is here, fatty is here. So let's read the sentence from full stop is here. Second, the elephant's toe bones are set on a uh, the elephant's toe bones are set on a fatty pad, which toe and fatty toe and fatty pad. So here we can write pad. See this fatty pad. Okay. Now 31. We are looking for uh, brain, big size brain, skull with many skull. Brain. So in next lines, brain word is here. So here big size. So we were finally the elephant has an enormous. Enormous means big sized brain that sits in the cranial cavity behind the eyes in line with the auditory canal. The front skull is here. The front of the skull is riddled with sinus. With word is also here. Skull is also here. It means these two words will come in the blank. With many cavities means many are there. So skull with sinus cavities. So we have done this. Now coming to next, complete the summary. Summary here means some story kind of thing they are just discussing. Okay. So one by one you will get the location. So let's read it. How the elephant sense these sound vibration is still unknown, but O'Connell Rodwell, a postdoctoral research at Stanford. So Stanford University was in first paragraph I have read, and this person name also proposes that elephants are listening with their dash by two kinds of nerve ending. Okay, so let's find this Stanford and O'Connell. So as I told you in first paragraph, we have got this person name also. We have got Stanford University. A postdoctoral researcher Stanford University proposes that elephants are listening with dash there. So listening with communication. She along with her colleagues is part of scientific started 20 years ago. This has made a stunning revelation. Elephants are capable of communicating with each other over long distances with low frequency sounds, also known as infrasounds. Okay, here it is not given how they are listening with their dash two kinds of nerve ending. So nothing they have not described clearly. High frequency. Okay, let's find these words. So these sentences they have started from this paragraph, but the actual location of this question statement is not in this paragraph. We have tried to find here also. We are looking for listening with. Elephants are listening with their nerve endings. So this also we have read. Let's find it. Here also there is no listening with kind of thing. It means we need to go to next paragraph. See this in next paragraph I can see this listening with their trunks and feet. So how they are just wasting our students' time. So first two lines they were in first paragraph, and this actual location of the 32 number question is in this paragraph, means where we have left the question number, these blank question numbers, label diagrams. So here I have got listening with, elephants are listening with their dash, listening with their trunks and feet. It means three words we have to write here. Okay. Three words we will be writing because they have given us option of no more than three words. So I have written trunks and feet. So whatever the spellings are given, trunks and feet, you have to write the same. Okay, if you are writing all answers in capital, then all letters will be in capital. So next number question, by two kinds, full stop is there, by two kinds of nerve endings that respond to vibrations with both frequency and slightly higher frequencies. Okay, so after this we will get location. We are looking for nerve ending and frequency. Trunk and feet, two types of nerve endings is here. Nerve endings that are sensitive to pressure. One detects infrasonic vibration and another responds to vibration higher in frequency. See this. Now we have got the location. Now tell the answer, please. Location is from here to here. Now try to find the answer. Now so many things by two kinds of nerve endings that responds to vibrations with both they have started with both. Trunk and feet contain two types of nerve endings that are sensitive to pressure. One detects infrasonic vibration and another higher frequency. So and another word higher frequency it is given, so it means before and our answer will be there. Infrasonic, both infrasonic frequency we will be writing here, not vibration. Frequency and slightly and another respond to vibrations higher in frequencies. So higher frequencies. So this answer we have got. 34th, O'Connell work is at combination of geophysics, neo-physiology and. So these words are important. Wherever we will get these two words and along with that word will be the answer. So in the after that this two words are there and word is there, it means ecology answer will be there. Ecology. Now next question. Now second page we have done and this paragraph also. Now we will shift to next paragraph because number wise, paragraph we will get answer. So we will be doing now 35th. Within small animal, O'Connell was the first person to indicate that a large land animal would send receive to. Okay, first we will find this. Okay, land animal is also there in next paragraph. We are looking this first person is also there. He was the first person that argued that a giant land animal, large means giant, land animal would send, is also sending and receiving seismic signals, would send and receive seismic signals. Both we will write here. So easy paragraph it is. You should also get all correct answers. Now 36, also he noticed the freezing behavior by putting a male planthopper, okay, on a stem and play a black cell, female cell, which might prove the existence of other communicative approaches besides. So what is besides or along with that, but apart from that, what should be there? So planthopper on a stem. Let's find these words. We have got answer here, 34, fifth number. Now I am looking for planthopper on a stem. Female calling, planthopper is here, yes, on a stem and replay the calling sound of female, then the male one would exhibit the same kind of behavior that happens in elephants. He would freeze, then press down on his legs, move down. I find it so fascinating and got me thinking that perhaps auditory communication is not the only thing that is going on. Okay, so we are looking for planthopper exact sentence we have got over here, and what is besides, which might prove the existence of other communicative approaches. So communicative approaches, he planthopper and replay the call of all things. He would freeze, then press down on his legs, move. I find it so fascinating and got me thinking perhaps auditory communication is not the only thing that is going on. Communication is also here. Okay, so what we can besides is not the only, it means auditory communication will word here. Auditory communication, because here auditory communication is not the only thing that is going on. Along with auditory communication, communication approaches will work. So I will be writing auditory communication. 37 number question. Long distances, where we have found the answer for 36 here. Location were planthopper and this was the answer. In next paragraph, we have got long distances. An elephant's ability to communicate over long distances is essential when elephant herds are finding a dash. Finding a what? Next paragraph. So next paragraph is saying we are looking for long distance word. See this, long distance is essential, especially when elephant herds are finding, like especially in places like Etosha where more than 2400 swana elephants. It means they are elephant herds. Range over a land bigger than New Jersey. It is already difficult for an elephant to find or finding a mate. It will come, or warning of predators. It is already difficult for an elephant to find a mate in such a vast land, and elephant reproducing this and this. Or why they have given or warning of predators, where predators word is here. See this, predators. Even though okay, next 38 is, see, you can see full stop is there. Finally the results of 2002. So where is 2002? Here in this paragraph nothing. In next paragraph, 2002 is here. Let's read the sentences. Finally the results of 2002. Research team designed an experiment 2002 which used electronic devices. Okay, the results means outcome. This is the location. This is the sentence. The outcomes of our 2002 study showed means revealed that elephants could indeed sense warning signals through ground. Rodwell, Colonel Rodwell observes through is here. Same warning signals, warning calls through the ground. Ground word will come. The is also there. So we have finished 38. Now 2 questions are left, multiple choice question. Now actual test starts from here. Choose the correct answer, A, B, C or D. Write the letter. It means we have to select one option out of these four options. This is the question statement from here to here. We have to opt out of these ones. Okay, so how to do multiple choice question in IELTS reading? It's important you should know the strategy. According to the passage, it is determined that an elephant needs to communicate over long distance. So we know where they were talking about long distance for its survival. We will not read, don't read it. Let's go to this location, long distance. So we have just read long distance in the paragraph. Just a minute, somewhere. Long distance is here. We have just finished this location, this word. So let's find it. So according to the passage, it is determined that an elephant needs to communicate. Elephant's capacity to communicate over long distance is essential for survival. Survival is also there, especially in places like Etosha where more than 2400 elephants range over. It is already difficult for an elephant to find a mate in such a vast land, and elephant reproductive biology only complicates. Breeding herds also adopt low frequency. Grown up elephants have no sounds to, breeding herds also adopt low frequency sounds to alert regarding predators. Even though grown elephants have no enemies else than human beings. Okay, so full paragraph we have already read, and this paragraph was starting. This was the location. We have got the statement location over here, but answer it is spreaded over here in this paragraph. So let's read the options and then we will decide. When a threatening predator appears, needs to communicate over long distances for its survival. For its survival, I think they are talking about when threatening predator. So to send alerts, it is given sounds, also adopt low frequency sounds to send alerts regarding predators. When a threatening predators appears, so this I can select. When young elephants meet humans, so this is not given. When older members of herd went to flee from the group, this is also not explained. When a male elephant is in stress, this is also not explained. So this is the answer. So 40 number question. Now successfully we have got correct answer for 39 number. 40 number question, what is the author's attitude towards the experiment by using 3 different recordings? So 3 different recording, it is in last paragraph because this paragraph was left. 3 different recordings. Okay, what is the purpose? What is the author's attitude towards the experiment by using 3 different recordings in the last paragraph? It is already given. So we will not read. Let's read the last paragraph. Experiment was set up in the hope of solving that problem. Some problem is there. So it used 3 different recordings. Call from this, an anti-predator call recorded by this, and a made-up verbal tone. The data I have observed means result to this point implies that elephants were responding the way I always expected. However, some important thing is given. However means whatever he has said, something opposite thing. The fascinating finding is that anti-predator call from Kenya, which is unfamiliar to them, caused them to gather around, tense up and rumble aggressively as well as, but they didn't always flee. I didn't expect the result to be that clear cut. It means whatever he was expecting, he got something extra thing. So let's read it. So read this paragraph first, pause the screen and find the answer. I am reading. The outcome is definitely out of the original expectation. Is no. Outcome result is definitely out of the original expectation. No. Here last sentence is saying to be clear cut. So something extra. The data cannot be very clearly obtained. This is wrong. The result means nothing given about it. The result can be somewhat undecided or inaccurate. So it was not decided whatever he had got. He had got in fact clear cut result. The result can be unfamiliar to the public. So this is not given. So this is the answer because the result can be somewhat undecided. Whatever he had not thought about the result, that result had come out. That's why it will the answer.